Okay, so the next question is, will they ever cover in California again? So I think you guys are covering in California. So maybe you could talk a little bit about that. I know it's a hot and sensitive topic here in California right now, just with all the wildfires.
Yeah, so currently our entire book of business, about 15% of it nationwide is in California. So we write a lot of business, obviously, in the more urban areas, and San Diego and the Bay Area and in cities, Sacramento, I mean, all the way up. Unfortunately, for a lot of people who have tried to get our insurance, we are currently not writing in a lot of high forest fire areas. And the reason being is you can't charge enough premium for bad risk. And we're just, quite frankly, not big enough. Yes, we've written 40,000 insurance policies. That's great. And from a program standpoint, we're pretty big, but we're not a State Farm and Allstate and Nationwide. And if we continue to do that in those areas, we will continue to lose homes, and we will have to tax our entire book of business to cover those losses. And at this time, it's just something we're not ready or willing to do at this point. So for some of you out there who were declined coverage from proper, the reason is it's a high forest fire area, and we're just not comfortable writing in those areas, and we don't want to damage our program with Lloyd's long term.
That makes a lot of sense. Thank you for that explanation.